Hi 8th graders! I want to start this video by saying I miss every single one of you and I wish we could be in class and working through problems. But with the circumstance we have, we are going to be learning online. So this is going to be the introductory video of this online learning for my class, okay? So it might be a little longer, but this is going to be my homepage and where we're going to start off in Canvas. So when you go to my Canvas, you go to this page. Then from there, you're mainly going to use this class schedule. So you're used to going to Canvas calendar and have everything up there. We're going to kind of avoid that because the Canvas calendar does day by day, while what my plan is to give you guys basically everything you have to get done for the week, and then hopefully you plan accordingly and get the work done in a timely manner. It is due, every assignment will be due for the week on Monday at 8:30 a.m. So you'll have like Monday to Monday basically to complete the assignment. So if I click on class schedule, the first thing you see is a link to the book. It is basically the chapter 9 textbook. It's just what we're going to be doing, so chapter 9, and it's the book version and has some example problems, stuff like that. So next you will see that I will be having Zoom weekly meetings on Tuesday from 1:30 to 2 o'clock, Tuesday and Thursday. These will be the times where you can come and just ask me questions over maybe number 25, you're stuck, why are you stuck? We'll be just talking about problems that you maybe need a little bit of help on. So what you'll do is go to this page and then you'll click on this login and then it'll pop up and then you have a password. It will be Falcon Math. Something that stinks about Zoom is it has to be a minimum of 2 students for the Zoom to be conducted. So if there's less than 2 Zoom students, I will just end the session and we will have to try for the next Zoom meeting. I will probably stay on Zoom for 10 minutes till like 1:40. If no one shows up, then I'm probably just going to cancel the meeting and end it there, okay? So, for this week, April 1st through April 3rd, you will watch this video. I have the worksheet right above it, so if you want to open it and follow along with the worksheet, you can. And then after you are done watching the video and reviewing and doing the worksheet, you will come over here and do this activity. So chapter 4, review big ideas. That is what's technically due this week. So you watch the video, you take your notes, and then you do the review big ideas. Before you ask questions, make sure you have notes over what we've learned. This first week is a review. It's over chapter 4. It's something we've done. We did chapter 4 and chapter 5. Chapter 4 was before break, and chapter 5 was more over chapter 4 basically. So hopefully we are good to go on that. So the chapter 4 review big ideas will be due on Monday at 8:30 a.m. And then so on and so forth. We have different things that we will be doing the rest of the week. But as I said, all assignments are due the following Monday at 8:30 a.m. Okay? So this is basically a lot of information on one page that you will be using. So now we're going to talk about a couple ways you can contact me. So one way is email. You can always contact me through email. I will be checking it frequently. My office hours are 8:30 to 11:30 and then 12:30 to 3, Monday through Friday. But I will also probably be checking after hours too if you have a question, okay? Another way of getting a hold of me. So email, make sure you send me your paper, your work, or whatever, so maybe I can spot where you went wrong. Another way of getting to talk about things. So Zoom was another one that we talked about where you can ask questions. It's open forum. So you come in, you ask me questions, you can leave, you can come. Okay. Another one is right here. On the sidebar, there's called discussions. If you go to discussions, you will have different discussions you can look at. So I'm going to go chapter 4 review big ideas, week 1, because that is what we are going to be looking at right now. So it says, please post the number you have a question on big ideas below. Like the questions that you agree with that you have questions on. I will post a video of me working through the most popular questions below. So reply, okay? I really don't understand number 4. That's the one I want Mrs. Haskett to go over. So I'll post a reply, okay? And then from there, if pretend someone else comes on and they're like looking through the numbers and saying, oh, I also had a question on number 4. I'm going to go ahead and like number 4. Okay, that way we don't have a bunch of number 4s on here. We just have one number 4 and then a bunch of people can like it. and then I'll pick probably the top 2 questions that were asked the most or something, and I will go walk through them with you, okay? So, I just gave you Zoom meetings, email, and discussion. Those are 3 ways you can contact me, okay? Then, wrap it up. Remember, homepage, go to the class schedule. You will have everything you need right now. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time. Thank you all, and I cannot wait to start this journey together.